Hello everyone, welcome to a Roblox tutorial, and today I'm gonna show you how to make a MenuGUI, a main MenuGUI. So first, in Starty GUI, add a Screen GUI. You see, it doesn't make any changes. I recommend you name this MenuGUI. Like this, yeah. So, and then let's start with the basics. So let's add a frame. So look, and bam, you can see a frame. But if you add a frame, if you just add a frame in Starter GUI, you can't see it. So you should add a frame in MenuGUI. So just scale the frame. Oh, come on, good. And so look. So I'll show you magic. I recommend you change your size to 2020. And then when you press enter or return, you can just see the magic. There. Now, I recommend you change the background color. You can just do it customize whatever you want. Whatever you want. You can play with it. Yeah, and then have fun with it. So next, we add a text label. And we're gonna name this title. So first, let's scale this to the top. Background transparency 1. You can just, once again, you can just customize this if you want to. And if you didn't know, you can change the font. Any font will do. And then I recommend you do text scaled, so it's way clearer without having to change the text size. Default text size is 14, by the way, if you didn't know. Now you can just put your game title there. So I'm fine. So yeah. I'm just gonna do a sample game. Sample game. Sample. It's just a sample. You can just name that whatever you want. Just your game title. Yeah. And then let's add a text button. Add a text button for play button. Let's rename this. No, not delete it. My bad. So let me rename it play button. Play button. And let me just change the background color 3 to green. So this is the red, this is the green, and this is the blue. If you want to entirely green, you can do 0,255, 0. But you can do whatever you want. Then text should be play. You don't have to write the exclamation mark. And once again, you can do text scaled and whatever you want for the title. So look, you can press it, and I can just rename this main frame. And then For it to have effect, let's insert a script. First of all, guess what to do? That's right. Get rid of that print hello world. And then first, let's start. So, let's define the play button. So, local play button equals script dot parent. So next, let's do no, not yet. Local mainframe equals script dot parent dot mainframe. And then guess what to do for the title? You guessed it, local title equals script dot parent dot title. And then, in case you didn't know, to define the left click of the play button, you can just do play button dot mouse button one click colon connect function, and then next go into the property, and then look in mainframe you can see there's a property called visible, and play button as well, and title guess yes or no. That's right, if you guessed yes, there is. Yeah, you're right. So the play button, you want the player to see. So play button dot visible equals false. So this returns a Boolean value of false. So, and then mainframe dot visible equals false, which is also a Boolean value. False and true are Boolean values, and also nil is a Boolean value, which means it is nothing, which is nothing that is not zero. So weird. Okay, so next, so how do we make the title invisible? If you guess title dot visible equals false, you were correct. So first, let's just play, and look. If we play, there, it works. So now let's add an updates button. So first, let's add another text button called updates button. No, not triple T, double T. So first, let's do this. Change the text to updates. No matter what the background color is, it still works. So still, just use text scaled. Just gonna change this to pink. There. Now we're done. I mean, no, we're not done. So let's add another frame. Let's rename this to updates frame, and so let's cover the play and updates button. covering the play and updates button. And then let's no. I recommend you change the properties. The color. Perfect place. Oh, this kind of looks like Ukraine. Tax support Ukraine. Okay. Now let's add a text label. Let's make it more like Ukraine. For the background transparency to be 1. So first, let's make it like this. So we're gonna have a close button for the updates later. So now we're gonna add in a text button and scale this to 100x100. It's 200x50 and look at the size. 0, 200, 0, 50. So how do I make this 100x100? That's right. If you guessed 0, 100, 0, 100, 100, that's right. So first, let me scale the text label down to the button level. Now, let's edit the button. Edit the button and rename this updates close. There. Now let's scale this. No, not scale. Let's make the text X. Let's make it clear. Way clearer if we change it the red, and way clearer if we change it to Gotham Black. There. There. So now let's add the text label. Let's make the text X alignment left, text Y alignment top. Let's make the text a bit bigger, but not text scaled. Text scale will be too big. Let's change it to 30 or something. Customize it, whatever you want. So first, let's change it in the text to version 1.0. No. Let's change to V1.0. Just making this up. I'm just making this up, spamming. So, sorry. And then we're ready to program the updates button. Not yet. So, updates frame dot visible should be false for default. So first, for updates button, let's add a script. Then how do we define the updates button? That's right. It's no. Local updates button equals script dot parent, and then local play button equals script dot parent dot updates button. No. Play button. No. Play button. Oh, how come I keep on doing the wrong thing? No offense, guys. I mean, people. Because some of you might be girls. So now, let's do local updates frame equals script dot parent dot updates frame. So that's why we do the update frame, define the update frame. That's right. So if we click on the updates button with left click, then the update frame shows up. So guess what needs to be coded for it? The basic. That's right. Updates button dot mouse button one click colon connects function, and then play button dot visible equals false. Updates button dot visible equals false, and at last update frame dot visible equals true. Guess what? So it returns a Boolean value of true with the update frame. So play button dot visible equals false and updates button dot visible equals false. Why are they invisible? If you guess they can't click on it when the update frame is, ignore that. So when the update frame is visible, the play button and the updates button are invisible, because if the update frame is visible and the play button and updates button are still visible, they can just click on the play button without even seeing it, and then the update frame will still be there. But then I just really want to do one thing. So one more thing. Local title equals script dot parent dot title, and then title dot text equals your game title. I'm just going to use sample game, and then you should opening and closing parentheses after them, followed by space, with a space, and then add updates, and then we should just change one little thing in the script. So local updates button equals script dot parent dot updates button, and updates button dot visible equals false. So let's try. Let's give it a try. So if we press play, it plays. And if if we press update, it says sample game updates. Good, but we haven't programmed the X yet. So let's program it. So let's insert a script inside updates close. Sorry, my bad. So next, how do we define the updates close and the update frame? If you guess local updates close equals script dot parent and local updates frame equals script dot parent, that you are correct. So script dot parent is just like script dot parent. If you haven't noticed that, I'm telling you now. So next, local play button equals script dot. This might be funny. Script dot parent again, and we're not using that much parents. The script dot parent is the MenuGUI, and then let's find a child called play button. So basically works like this: script dot parent play button. And then how do we define the updates button? Bingo! Local updates button equals script dot parent updates button. And then at last we need to change the title text. So local title equals script dot parent dot type dot divided by dot title. And then updates close dot mouse button one click calling connect function. There. So update frame dot visible equals false. Don't worry, the updates close. Don't worry, updates close will also close because it will also be invisible because it's inside the update frame. But shoot, I forgot to rename text label. But I'll rename this update text. There. Next, update button dot visible equals true. Update no. Play button dot visible equals true. And title dot text equals your game title. Like I'm just gonna use sample game. So now let's try. So let's try an update. Game update. Sample game. Look. Look. Tag support Ukraine. Yeah, that's Ukraine colors, right? And then play. We're back. It worked. It should work. It should work. It should work now. Now, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And so, yeah, bye. Don't note that. Don't have a good day. Have a great day. So, bye. See ya.